The phone app. Pixel. Messages. Draw. The camera. We're gonna do it like this. See which one launches faster. Ooh, and give that to the Pixel. I'm telling you, the Pixel this year is kind of a beast, to be honest. Kind of fast. Maybe because it's the 6 gigs of RAM now. And then we'll start the stopwatch and leave it there. Chrome. Okay, let's go ahead and do a search for GSM Arena. Whoops. GSM Arena. Here we go. GSM Arena. Go. We'll check it out. And which one? Ooh, 7T with a comeback. We'll click on these Huawei FreeBuds 3. Ooh, so close. Maybe a slight edge on the 7T. Okay. I'm gonna click on the GSM Arena again. And we'll click on this review. Pinch to zoom. I cannot pinch to zoom. That's all right. We're gonna go ahead and go all the way to the bottom. And we'll go to the desktop version. Go. And a mistouch on the left. Oops. And what is going on with the 7T? Maybe because there's an ad right there. There we go. My bad. Take this one with a grain of salt, obviously. Pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth with a 90 Hz display on the Pixel 4 now. And same thing with the 7T. Nice. All right, let's go ahead and go to the Verge. 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 Go. Identical, maybe a little bit faster on the 7T. And then we'll click on, let's see. Click on this one. And you guys are the judges. Looks a little bit different. That's interesting. Is this the desktop version? Not sure. All right, we'll just leave it there. Calculator. Identical performance. Play Store. Dead heat. Maybe the 7T by a tad. Not a big difference though. And then we're gonna go ahead and click on my favorite app. We're gonna install this. Nah, changed my mind. Amazon. Click on this. Click on this. Lightning fast performance. eBay. Ooh, maybe that was the Pixel by a split second. Slow down the video for me. Super Mario Run, loading on both phones. Oh, I think that was the Pixel by a split second. Telling you, see? The Pixel Mario time, the Pixel is a beast this year. Gotta say, it's pretty speedy. Maybe it's because it's the 6 gigs of RAM now? I don't know. Okay, let's see, which one's faster on this one? I think it's the 7T. Slight edge to the 7T, as you can see. We'll get out of that, and we'll open up Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. I think the 7T is ahead by a tad. Yup. 7T is gonna take this. And we'll give the win to the OnePlus 7T on this one. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about the swipe gestures on Android 10. I don't know, I think I prefer the traditional navigation, but we'll see. Asphalt 9 Legends. We'll see which one is faster on this game. Oh, give the win to the 7T. Tap play once. Yeah, just gesture stuff, it's a little bit weird. I don't know. I think I'm too old school. Click on this picture. All right, now this is an 8K image I have on both phones. Gonna choose autumn because it's autumn here where I'm at. Jack up this filter all the way. Click on next, and then we're gonna save the gallery on both. See which phone saves it faster. Go. And we'll give the win to the 7T. Twitter. 7T, as you can see. IG, let's go. Very close, 7T by a tad. WhatsApp. Ooh, I think that was the Pixel 4 on that one. Snapchat. 7T. So let's go ahead and take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Oops. Everything's in the background, as you can see. Now Pixel, 6 gigs of RAM. The OnePlus, 8 gigs. 855 Plus on the OnePlus 7T. Regular 855 on the Google phone. So let's see how this plays out. We're just gonna go ahead and run through these apps again, and then we'll check it out. Any signs of lag, any signs of stutters, or any reloads, anything weird. Yeah, I have to say, yeah, this swipe thing in Android 10, I don't know, man. I think I'm old school. Ooh, a little bit of a lag on the 7T there. Okay, and then Temple Run 2. Paused and ready to resume on both devices. And then the Mario Run. And the Pixel 4 XL is reloading this game. All right, so I guess that's the difference between 8 gigs of RAM, 6 gigs of RAM. Let's see if the Pixel reloads anything else. eBay. Okay, a little bit of a lag here on the eBay, as you see. Amazon. And again, Pixel 4 XL lagging here a little bit. Or maybe not a little bit. What's happening to the Pixel? What's happening? Okay. Play Store. A little bit faster on the left. Calculator. And again, a little bit faster on the left. So Pixel 4 slowing down a little bit. As you can see right here. Had to kind of redo the page a little bit. Clock on both phones. Still running the stopwatch. The camera. We'll do it like this. Go. Faster on the 7T. And then check out the messages. And the phone app. 7T. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on team OnePlus, rocking your OnePlus 7T? Do you have the OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro, OnePlus 6T, or a OnePlus 6? Are you waiting for the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition? Or are you on hashtag Team Pixel? Are you rocking the Google Pixel 4 XL or the Pixel 4? Do you have yourself the Pixel 3a, which by the way, for $350 or $399 is an excellent phone? Do you have last year's Pixel 3, Pixel 2, the original Pixel, or are you an OG and have the Nexus 6P? Let me know in the comments down below.